Tagalog. Antarctican giant land Chonetes
Osmosis.
Main habitat Antarctica. Very rare. History. On December 17, 1911, the Norwegian Antarctic expedition team out to explore the depths of the continent. During this expedition, some members of the team reported to the team leader that they had seen large hoof prints and heard strange noises. They also found large animal corpses whose blood had been sucked out.
Okay.
The frightened them because until then it was known for the only land predators in Antarctica were polar bears. Then to avoid encountering this creature, they stopped to explore and returned to the base. 79 years later, in 1990, an operation was launched by all countries to explore every part of Antarctica.
Antarctica, okay.
During this operation, the American reconnaissance team encountered Agaco for the first time and managed to take a photo of it. The team members who encountered this creature were very scared after taking the photo.
They realized
that this creature was coming towards them and started to run away. Unfortunately, team member Edward B. Young was captured and killed by the entity. The other team members who witnessed this signaled help on the radios, and the rescue team arrived in a short time. Before the rescue team arrived, the entity made a hole in the ice, entered the water, and escaped with Edward's body. After the rescue team arrived, they could not understand what happened and did not believe the researchers. Thus assumed that Edward fell into the hole in the ice, and two other team members suffered hypothermia and hallucinated. An example what can happen. This entity is quite aggressive and can hunt any living thing. Its skin is armored like a crab's, but it can take damage with armor piercing. Degree. When you see it, it feels it's personal. Run away and hide. If you are lucky, you will escape. Dangerous.
Okay. That is the
World Protection Agency.
Go.